Friends, today I want to show you again how to make the lotus. Okay, uh, the shape you have all drawn and you have a line drawing also. So first I'm wetting the paper. Okay, I told you I'm showing you how to do wet in wet. For the lotus we do wet in wet. How you are going to release the color. Okay, have something nearby you. uh, these hand towels, the cotton hand towel and paper towels, they are a must for doing this. So I'm taking uh, the pink color. Remember we took the crimson red, so I am using gently. You see how it is coming very gently. Let the color mingle. Leave the highlight. You must leave the highlight. If we don't preserve the highlight, then the things don't look good, okay? And this side is darker, just like this. The shadow, like this. The shadow, this, okay? This will be lighter. This is the mop brush. You can use mop brush or you can use the simple rounded brush. Let me do it with a rounded brush. And then you have to wait for some time for the color to dry up. In the meanwhile, what you do is you preserve the highlight. If you feel the color is flowing inside, then gently you can dab it like this. You dab it so that the highlights, they remain preserved. So this is you can say this is the first layer. And the other side, this here, let it be a bit darker. The tips are darker. So this is about the first layer. It is almost dry. So now I'll be using the second layer. The consistency of the paint has to be thin, like milk. Okay? It should not be very dark. Now the second layer. If you can make one lotus, you can make all the lotuses. So because you have to allow watercolor to do its work. You don't have to labor like anything. You have to let the watercolor do its magic. Now here the watercolor, you can see the watercolor is slowly diffusing. This is basically the magic of wet and wet technique, okay? So slowly you darken the values, okay? We know this is the shadow part. Only with one color only I am doing it. With one color only, but I don't need the outline. I should not be making the outline. Let it diffuse. Let it diffuse, draw it gently, but preserve the highlight. The last one will be darkest of all, okay? It will be darkest of all. So what I want to emphasize on is we don't need to paint everything. Just a faint hint of color should be there. This leaf also. Is that clear to you? This side is going to be lighter. Okay? This side is going to be lighter. Now this is, you will be making 3-4 more layers and your lotus will be complete. Okay? This is the way it should. Now you can see the color is diffusing in. So happy painting, happy lotus painting. If you can paint one petal of the lotus, you can definitely make all the lotuses. Any lotus, don't worry, you can do it. Okay, happy painting. God bless you.